What is up YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this special episode, we're going to focus on gadgets, well, tech. And what we're going to talk about is I will share with you my top favorite gadgets that I was able to buy for the month of May. So this is a new segment that I want to do every month. I will share with you guys like the top 1, 2, or 3 or whatever it is pieces of gadgets and tech that I was able to pick up. By the way, make sure that you watch until the very end of the vlog because I'm announcing another giveaway. We're actually giving away this Redmi Note 7. So make sure that you guys watch until the very end so you can see the mechanics of our giveaway. Let's go! So let's jump right into this. So how we'll do it, guys, is I'll share with you top 3 tech that I was able to pick up in the last month. And I'll talk about the gadgets for a bit. And then I'll actually go out of the studio and talk to some of the guys from my team on Unbox. Unbox is one of the best gadget channels that you guys can check out on YouTube. And you can also check out their site, unbox.ph. We'll talk to Jamie, we'll talk to Lea, who will also share their favorite tech in the last 30 days. So let's get started. The first gadget on my list is the Marshall Stanmore 2 Voice Edition. This is an insane speaker. Not only do you get the classic Marshall look, the classic iconic Marshall vibe, that kick-ass epic vibe, but it delivers exceptional sound quality. It hits the high registers very well, the mid are crisp, clean, and super clear, and then you have that punchy bass, and at the same time, it's also a smart speaker. So it has Google Assistant built in, so you can actually talk to it and say, okay Google, and do whatever, and ask them to turn on your lights, if you have smart lights, or tell you to play like your favorite playlist on Spotify or whatever it is. So again, that's the first gadget on my list. This is the Marshall Stanmore, I think, 2 Voice Edition. If you guys want to pick one up, you can get one over at any of the branches of Digital Walker. The second gadget on my list is the Sony RX0II. This is actually my new vlogging camera, at least when I am out of the studio. So if you want to bring something while walking, checking out outlet stores, going to different shops to do trade checks and whatnot, this is the camera that I bring with me. It captures excellent image and video quality, and at the same time, it has a flip screen, which allows for me to easily monitor myself and frame myself properly. And lastly, I can connect like an external microphone to it, which allows me to get good audio. So again, this is the second best gadget, at least in my opinion, in my recent 30-day pickups. This is the Sony RX0II. And lastly, as I mentioned before, I'm a huge fan of smartwatches. I have a growing smartwatch collection. I'm not more of the classic watch kind of guy. And one of my favorite smartwatches right now is the Huawei Watch GT Active. This thing is just absolutely insane. It delivers over maybe around 10 to 12, 13 days of battery life, which is kind of unheard of when you think about smartwatches. There was a time when Apple Watches would just have battery life for a day. My Tag Heuer Connected, which is like one of the most expensive smartwatches in my collection, just has battery life for a day. And this one can go a full 2 weeks, and it's the full Android Wear experience, just insane. And I love the fact that it syncs easily to my Huawei P30 Pro. So that's the third gadget. Oh, one more thing that I love about this, I got it for free because it came with the pre-order for the Huawei P30 Pro. So everything considered, it's such amazing value because one of the best things you can get is anything as long as it's free. So that's the third gadget, the Huawei Watch GT Active. So those are the top 3 tech in my list for the last 30 days. So what I'll do now is I'll go out of the studio, talk to Jamie and Lea, and ask them what their favorite tech are. Guys, don't forget to stay until the very end of the vlog. Make sure that you're subscribed because we will be again announcing the mechanics for our giveaway for this Redmi Note 7. So guys, we're here with Lea and we're going to ask her what her favorite tech gadgets are in the last 30 days. Lea, the princess of tech, go!
Okay, so I really enjoyed using the LG X Boom Go PK5. So it's this portable speaker, really awesome. The quality is really good, and it's light enough. But if you need the volume to be louder, you can sync it with other speakers. So that's just great for maybe parties or bigger gatherings. And you have the option of turning on clear vocal, and that I think it's called extra bass. You get to kind of customize your experience when you listen to your favorite music. The second gadget is this one. This is the Sony RX0 Mark II. I really love it because it's small, just like me. No, it's perfect for travel because sometimes I bring, huge cameras and I get tired of bringing it, so this is just great. And the best part is it has a flippy screen, so if you feel like vlogging your experience, this is all you need. And the stabilization is really awesome. What else do I love? Oh, it records 4K, which is great, and it is shockproof, waterproof. So
And I have that one also. I love the external mic.
there you go.
So you can get better audio.
So it's really a good vlogging camera, perfect for your travel, for your adventure.
Okay, so guys, follow Lea on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to Unbox. Boom. We're here with Jamie, the Principe K of tech.
I'm saying if Lea is the princess of...
Are you the prince?
Maybe like the Shrek of
The
tech.
Shrek of tech. Okay, so Jamie, maybe you can share with us like your top gadgets for the last 30 days.
Definitely number one on my list is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Has a really fast processor, Snapdragon 855, like really up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. I don't know why you'd need so much RAM on a smartphone, but the best thing about it is the display. 90 Hz OLED makes everything seem a lot more fluid. Yeah, best, and the display on that thing is just amazing. Cameras are so-so, but if you install Gcam, which you will see on our channel plug, Unbox PH, big difference, but like the quickness of the processor and the display, super the bomb. Second on my list is something that we saw at Computex 2019, which is the ZenBook Pro Duo. Now, if you haven't seen pictures or videos of these things, basically the bottom half of the laptop is a second screen. So if you know the MacBook Pro, which has a touch bar, forget about that. Even that's always like tiny little sliver. This one's like, again, half of the laptop. So for productivity, for something like editing videos, you can basically have your timeline there, clean up your entire screen. Just an amazing way to up your productivity, basically. Haven't tried it out, but hopefully, I mean, the specs behind it will back everything up, definitely.
Will that arrive in the Philippines?
That's gonna be arriving in the Philippines, but no word from Asus Philippines on when it will arrive.
Is the OnePlus 7 Pro available already locally?
OnePlus 7 Pro is available. I forgot about that. It's available via Digital Walker. I think the price for the base model is $38,990, and then if you want the higher model, which I think 256 gigabytes of storage, $42,890. So hindi na siya, it's not in the flagship killer range that OnePlus was known for, but still cheaper than some of the flagships out there.
Okay.
Last on my list is actually very unconventional, but it's like the Tito in me was very happy to see it. It's actually the Tamiya Jeepney, which is like, basically, if you haven't seen it, it's the facade of the iconic Jeep on a Tamiya car, which was really crazy. I think it's the first time we're seeing this. It was made all in Cebu, which is amazing. Again,
shout out to all our Cebuano watchers and viewers and subscribers.
It's again, seeing it was again brought nostalgic feels, because Tamiya, it's been like more than 20 years since I've touched one, and seeing the iconic Jeepney on it was amazing. This is available at the Brickyard in Glorieta 2, or I think you can order it. I'm pretty sure you can order it somewhere online. It's like somewhere like 500.
And they can just Google it.
Yeah, but somewhere like 500 or 700 pesos, which is not bad at all if you're just want as a collector's item, or you're really into Tamiya. So yeah, that's my third on the list.
So before we end the vlog, Jamie, what did you think about the Undertaker Goldberg match at the Super Showdown? For me, it absolutely sucked. So, how about you?
It was not
Undertaker.
Not good. I mean, I've been a huge fan of both Undertaker and Goldberg for a very long time.
Such a disservice.
Maybe if this happened like when they were at their prime.
Well, that would have been sick. When Undertaker would still move fast.
Yeah, it would have been really kick-ass.
And Goldberg would still carry the Undertaker.
So sad. Right now, it was
really bad, right?
Really
We're able to watch AEW. Double or Nothing.
Double or Nothing was excellent. I still think that Triple H puts out a better pay-per-view at NXT.
Agree. As long as it's NXT, pay-per-view is really good.
But like the current state of like the WWE, man, Vince is in for some trouble.
Yeah. So I just want to put that in because we're both wrestling fans, and I want to extend it so we hit 10 minutes. So guys, at this point in the vlog, I'll switch over to Lea, who will talk to you more about the mechanics for our giveaway for the Redmi Note 7. Take it away.
Okay guys, so if you want to win a Redmi Note 7, you have to do 3 things. First, subscribe to Carla's channel, obviously.
Yeah.
Second, subscribe to Unbox PH. And third, leave a comment down below with the hashtag UnboxPH. that's it. Good luck, guys.
Alright guys, so we'll be drawing the winners for this giveaway on the 16th, which is Father's Day. If you want to find out who the winner is, you're going to have to subscribe to Unbox PH because that's where we're going to be announcing the winner. And just in case you missed out on all of the instructions, we will be listing down all of the mechanics in the description down below so you guys can follow along and get a chance to win the Redmi Note 7.
Guys, that's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.